there, my name's Tina with The Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I really appreciate it if you would subscribe. If you like this video, please also click the thumbs up and click on notifications. So today, as you can see, I am going to be planning in my mini happy planner. I've already taken the week spread out. This is a memory planning session or a rewind, which means I'm planning for the previous week. Now this is just a couple of plain bits of sticker paper that I've cut out to cover these areas, and I've also got this weekly kit. Now this weekly kit is from Planello. It's for Hobonichi weeks, and I was watching something that the Shameless Planner did, and she actually suggested using the Hobonichi week, so I'm going to give it a try. I think it's going to work perfect, and just the right amount of stickers as well, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, let's get started. So we are now just sticking the plain sticker paper down. You'll have to excuse me if you can hear snoring in the background. That is my dog. She's sleeping in the room and she's almost on every video snoring, so excuse me, but I'm not about to kick her out. She loves spending time with me, so it is what it is. If you don't like it, please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll consider maybe putting her in the other room for a couple of hours. So, okay, so this is my first experience of this sticker kit. So I'm looking at what I've got. I haven't even really looked at where I'm going to put anything or what I'm going to do with it. Because it's not made for the Mini Happy Planner, I'm trying things out and seeing what fits. But I still really love the options that I've got here. I'm just cutting up the date stickers and trying to make those work. I was going to cover they're too small, so they don't quite fit the words, but I decided to just white them out. It was the easier option. And although you can see the white out on this video, it doesn't actually look that strong in real life. So I think it's just something to do with the reflection of the light on the white out. But it doesn't actually stand out really on my actual planner. So this looks really cute. And yeah, I'm already really liking the design. I'm sure that I'm going to enjoy looking at this throughout the week. And so I had a busy weekend, so it's nice to do something like this where I'm just relaxing and creating the spread. And it is obviously a rewind, so it's already happened. And so it's just really nice to just be a little bit more creative, because obviously with a sticker kit that is made for the Mini Happy Planner, you don't really have to think once you get the patterns sort of right. You know where the boxes go and where to put certain stickers. And this was really sort of freestyle. I could put it anywhere because they are a little bit smaller than the Mini Happy Planner stickers too. A lot more stickers fit in, and it just looked actually really well proportioned with the size of the page. I love these H2O water trackers for every day. I generally put one to do the whole lot, and it never works because you have to drink a certain amount of water every day. So I had to move that weekend sticker over. Still not sure if I like it, but I wanted to use it. So, and then I created this little other section for reminders, I think it is. And yeah, so now I'm starting to think about what I can put down. There's so many options that you can really be creative, and that's something that I really liked about this. That there's the opportunity to be far more creative than a normal sticker kit would let you be. Now this deco, this art, there were so many of these little boxes that I found I was able to put them all over the place. And although I'm not really using this planner as much as I would like, it is my appointments planner, and because I don't have any appointments or any meetings, I'm not able to use it that. I just thought that I would recreate it as a normal planner. I really like that this is so usable, these glitter headers, that I can cut things up and put them anywhere. I'm just really enjoying this. It's given me such a creative opportunity to just go for it and put down whatever I like. I really like the text, the script as well. Very bold and strong, and it goes really well with these header boxes. So I'm just thinking about really what I can now lay down that was my, obviously you can see I'm going to be using that box for workout, and I'm just starting to think, okay, so what have I got in the week? What appointments have I got? And so I've got a couple here. That would be pick up some prescription and a FaceTime. I had a FaceTime call with England. And so on Tuesday, we are reading a book called Facing the Giants. So I just wanted to put that down. And the green boxes for the Dalgona coffee, I want to track it because it's so high in sugar that I need to track how many of it we are having. I've also got cleaning duties and planning video. That's why I put that purple box down. And the orange one is for reviewing some camera specs that we may be getting a new camera. And this list on Saturday, I normally put this checklist because I normally do cleaning and bits and pieces, you know, washing the sheets, things like that. I've broken that purple box up with a bow line so that I can add two things. And now I'm just thinking about what I can use these two boxes over here for. And as you can see, I've cut down a box there to use. I'm just cutting those off so I can reuse those boxes to cover up the words. And then I decided to use one for a to-do list, which I'm just looking at my schedule over here. So a to-do list, and yeah, and then I believe I put down a next week list as well, so I can track what is important for next week. And then I'm just putting a little bit of deco down. I really, really like how it's turning out. Just so many different pieces to it and patterns, and the colours are gorgeous. Yeah, I'm really liking it. So I'm just laying things down now just to make it look pretty. They're not functional. These are just my my decorations. And yeah, you can see putting little dots down. There's so much in this pack. I am definitely going to use my next week. I'm going to use another Habonichi Weeks kit that I got from printable. I think that's it now. That's as far as I can go with it. I hope you like this spread. Again, it's from printable, which is a really nice sticker shop. Go take a look. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.